Hi, welcome to DataWitzz. In this video, we will learn about 5 new functions which is just introduced in Excel. Earlier, it used to be in Excel 365, but in the new version of Excel, we will find all these 5 formulas. So, without being delayed, let us start with the first function, which is filter. All these functions that I am discussing right now is in dynamic ranges. So the first function is filter. Let us understand about the syntax of filter. Basically, filter asks 3 different inputs. Array, what needs to be included, means what exactly needs to be filtered, and if this value, that the included value is empty, then what needs to be reflect. So here it is my array from where I wanted to fetch my data. Then the condition of include. So in this example, I will take zone name should be equal to north, and then my third option empty will remain blank because I don't want to use it. After pressing enter, I find the complete section of north. Here you can see the value of north. This exactly comes here. If I change it as south or east, the value got changed completely. Now it is a part of the east one. This 98, 44, 65, and 48. 98, 44, 65, 48. Now we will be discussing about the next function, that is sort. Sort is just sorting your data. So I will take you through first from the syntax. In my sort asks for array. So this is my array from where I need to sort the data. Then there's a sort index. Sort index says you wanted to sort it by row or column. So let us suppose I have taken value 1. Then what is the sort order? I just wanted to sort ascending to descending. So I took 1. And the last, you wanted it by column, the values which you wanted to sort is by row or by column. I wanted to sort the values by row. Here I got this value. Let us interpret it, what exactly it is. So basically, first we have taken our array, then we took the first value. So in this example, we can see how the values has been sorted. So actually, I took the value for rows. First is my array, then second is the row number or column number, that is 2. I wanted to sort second column, then it should be ascending and descending. it is in ascending, and I omit the value. So omitting the value means the sort will happen row wise. So here I saw that Q1 comes at one place, then Q2, then Q3, Q4. Now let us suppose if I change this value 2 by 3, now I see the third column value has been changed 35, 37, 38. It got ascending from lowest to highest. This is how this sort function works here. If I will change here the value as true, then this will change, the sort has happened from column to row. And which column to row? Then the third row. This is the third row. 36, 36, 40, 46. Then the numerical value not in and then q. It has been sorted by columns. I hope you are getting this functions properly. Now let us come to the third function, that is sort by. Here sort by, in the sort by, I used, first understand the syntax of this sort by. Sort by is easier and it takes multiple conditions to sort. So there is just one array is required. I took the array, then it asks by array, which array do you want to sort? So let us suppose I sort this one. What should be your sort order? Let us suppose 1, that is ascending. Now put the condition 2. So let us suppose I wanted to sort this value and sort it by, suppose I wanted to sort it by descending order. So here we see that this is Q1, Q1, Q1. All values got sorted at 1. Then again, when I see here, so Q1 has been sorted, then descending order of the same SAM's column will be here 98, 80, 65, 30. Then again for Q2, it started to sort from 95, 82, 38. Again for Q3, 91, 89, 56, 40. So sort and the sort by function both has some differences. A special differences is that it can take multiple values. Sort by function can take multiple values, while sort function takes one value to sort. But the sort can sort the values by rows, by columns in both the ways. But this sort by function can only work by columns. Column value will get sorted. Now we will discuss about the third function, that is unique. Unique is just a new function. Earlier it used to do either put it in a pivot table, or we need to delete the values, then we were able to get the unique values. But right now it is very much easier. We will use this unique function. Unique function asks three different inputs. First is the array. So let us suppose I wanted to find out the unique values from a particular column, that is zone. So I took this value and click OK. I can see the four unique values are available here, and that come here. Now let us take another example here. I put unique Here my columns, here two different columns have the same values, completely same values. So I took three, and then my array. Then I wanted to return unique columns as they are two different columns with the same name. So I will use true. Then return every distinct item. So I have two different columns with the same name. I want distinct means one column I want to get returned. Here I see this not Q1, then 35, 40, and then 41. They are two different 41, but here one column has been suppressed. Let us suppose if I would have used true instead of false here, then what would have happened? Now you see, out of these two duplicate columns, none has come. So only those columns which has at least one appearance there. I got just four columns which were unique. The two which were duplicate didn't came. Now the last function that we are discussing here is sequence. Sequence is very easy and it gives a lot of freedom to generate random numbers. So how sequence works? First understand about its syntax. What is the syntax? Syntax are how many rows do you want? So let us suppose I want 4 rows. How many columns do you want? If you wouldn't put any column, just press OK. It will give 4 rows value in 4 rows. Now I wanted to put a column as well. Let us suppose I want 3 columns. Further, I don't want to put any information. Just I wanted to right click. Just click. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That 12 values. That means 4 rows and 3 columns. All values come. Next value we're picking up. Now it asks where from you wanted to start. Let us suppose I wanted to start from 2. The first value should be 2. And then how many steps do you want? Let us suppose I want every second value 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, like that. Here you see. Now my values has changed 2, 4, 6, and 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now if I wanted to put this gap as 3, then 2, then 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 8, 11, 12, 14, 17, like that. These were all those 5 functions that we were discussing: filter, sort by, unique, and sequence. I hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe our channel and share this video with others also. Thank you for watching DataWitzz.